Welcome to Kenny's. Today we're working on 2003 Toyota mattress 1.8 with the bad alternator. So the alternator right here and the belts right here. So sharing the part number. And while you're there, just change the belt. It's better. You can take it out anyway. This is a part number for the belt, serpentine belt. Okay. The first step you do, you remove one of the body terminal and then start taking it out. Just get it quick. And this is, you can take this out. This is 10 millimeter here. You take the hands out here. You just hold it and it's gonna come out. Okay, and you lose the tensioner. So the tensioner is right here. I'll walk you through step by step. Hopefully this video will be helpful for everybody to replace your alternator in your driveway. Save $300 minimum. Just keep watching. You put a 90 millimeter on the tensioner, wrench right here, and you move this plastic cover, 10 millimeter right here, and this is the plug right here. The plug is going to right here. See the plug? This plug, you can just squeeze it and come out. Squeeze this part. See the light? You squeeze this, is gonna come out. Remove this. Like I mentioned earlier, you gotta replace. Remove the one of the terminal. I remove it. I spray it. We can clean the. There's a carbon in there. Just spray for bodily terminal cleanup. If you don't have any stuff to clean up, just with hot water will be good. Yes, if you got a 10 millimeter wrench, move this thing off. Just lose it. You can use the new nut. It's gonna come with the new nut. You remove that, the connection and the terminal is a positive. The battery is removed already. There's the tensioner. Just pull it to take the bolt. This is the old belt. See, it's messing up. It's going. We just put the new belt in there, so you can just put it the same way you take the old one out. Just put it back, and I suggest before you put the alternator, put the belt. The new one is easier. Now, time for the new alternator. This is gonna go on this way. There you go. There's the old one out. It's the new one. I checked the three flags, and exact alternator. And check it out right from here. Remove this. And when you remove the alternator, the bolt just wiggle it, kind of come out. It's not hard, and so you get plenty of room here. This way to yours is easy. And okay, so the tools you need for this 10 millimeter wrench, 12 millimeter socket, and this is the 12 millimeter. Lose it, just take it out. 12 millimeter, the top bolt. Oh, we're gonna pick it up, no problem. And the 14 millimeter already loose. Check it out. This is the bottom bolt, and now just make it real loose. Look, alternator loose. You just wiggle it to take it out. So you gotta make some room for yourself. This engine, all the small Toyota is the same engine, 16 valve. Toyota Corolla matches, and it's all 4 cylinders, same kind of style. It's easy to do. Okay, like you see, I removed the belt. So this is a tensioner. When you put your wrench here, you pull it all the way to you, and the belt will be loose. Same way to put it back. So the wire, and I removed that AC compressor connector. That way I move all the wire out of my way. Just make some room for yourself. And now you gotta go take the alternator out. So you get 12mm right here, this bolt, and you got 14mm right here. Right here. You take this two out, the alternator come out. So see all the greases, all the oil leak going to the alternator. That's why the alternator is not charging anymore. So for the first, the sign, when you have a bad alternator, most of the time the battery light come on. So when the battery light come on, do not replace the battery. So the alternator is not charging. And hopefully it's going to be helpful, this video, for everyone. Final step, the belts in there, the bolts back, the new alternator in, and now I'm going to put the harness back. So like I said, I just took the harness out. Just going to put like this, 10mm. This is try to not tie it over tight, because it's plastic under it. We don't want to break it. That's enough. Just let it clip. This is for holding the wire. There. Get this alternator wire. Here's the plug. Just gonna click. When you have the plug is in, you put the AC wire back on, because we'll remove it to make some room. Now, one more click. It's all set here. This is the final step. You gotta put this cover. This in. The alternator job is done now. This is the code. You gotta take it back to the company. So that's how you do alternator on the Toyota engine. Most of the Toyota engine same like setup. Even Toyota Camry 4 cylinders is kind of same style, and replace the alternator. Now we're gonna put the battery terminal back, and the final step, we're gonna check the voltage. Keep watching. It's all set. Connect my charger tester to 14.1. It's 15.9 normal. If the alternator is bad, will be around 12 or less than 12. Not on the battery, but now this vehicle back to life run on the alternator. All set. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment down below, and don't forget subscribe and like and comment.